So many of you out there are currently renting and you don't know the full benefits of home ownership, or you don't even think that it's possible. So I wanted to take this time today to break down some of the benefits of owning a home, just for you to take into consideration if you're trying to decide, do I continue renting or is now a good time to buy a home? So one of the first main things is building equity or getting appreciation built into your home. Right now, when you're paying rent in your home, you're paying 100% of somebody else's interest rate and you're not getting any equity, but you're actually paying for them to earn value and appreciation in their home. There's also many tax benefits. A lot of times people don't realize, like, oh, if I own a home, I can actually have certain deductions that benefit me and my overall income. Instead of me thinking that I'm paying a lot of money, I actually receive tax benefits. Stability. When renting, you can be kicked out of your home at any time or evicted, or you can maybe not want to be in that area any longer. And because you don't have the stability in your home versus if you own it, if you own your own home, no one's going to kick you out as long as you continue paying your mortgage, right? The other part of it too is rent. So with rent can continue to increase year over year. And I believe in California, they can increase it currently up to 10%. So with your mortgage payment, you know that you have the same payment month after month, going both towards principal and interest. And the last one is generational wealth. Homes are becoming increasingly expensive. And if you have kids or if you have a family that you would like to leave a home for, owning a home is a great way to continue or to start building generational wealth. Because at one point, it's going to be too expensive for your kids to be able to own a home. So if you're interested in learning more about other reasons on why you should own versus rent, you know all the ways to reach me. I look forward to speaking with you.